In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. First of all, you need to launch Messages app and select or create a chat. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use this plus icon at the bottom left corner of message section. And first of all, to create voice memo and add it right away, within Messages app, tap on Recording section in the middle. Then use this button here, touch and hold to record. When you finished, let go and your recording will be automatically attached. Then you can send it. If you want to add already existing audio file, tap on More at the bottom right corner and select Audio here. Then tap on one of your voice files and when you're ready, use this check mark at the top right corner to attach it. Wait for it to convert and then send it. If you want to add already existing video, click on Gallery section. Then tap on yours and wait for it to be attached. Once you're done, you can send it like any other file. To create a video within Messages app, use Camera section here. Switch to video by tapping on Camera icon at the bottom right corner. And then record. Once you're done, your video will be automatically attached. All you need to do is use this check mark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!